Can we begin? Okay, we are under pressure now. Okay, so we are team Headdress with the outstanding title, 5 meters make fine products. So I'm Christy. We have 2 Rita with us. Rita number 1, Rita Lu, and one out there is Phoenix Wu. Okay, thanks to our population, it's very common for us. If we walk upstream in Tainan, this whole city, it's very easy for us to see the temple fair. And there are most temples in Tainan, all around Taiwan. So it's very convenient for devotees to do worship to God or deity. Do you ever notice the dress or the decoration of the God statues? Okay. Speaking the decoration of the God statues, no matter these statues come from Divinity or Anthropomorphism, we can divide them into 3 different groups. Okay, according to the style of Headdress, we can easily tell the god or deity is emperor, martial, or official. So these are some examples for you, like Jet Emperor or Singa and Wangong are martial, and Buddha Zhensen is official. Okay, so okay, but how do this decoration of these statues, especially Headdress, come out? The reason is devotees want them to be shiny, good looking, or bright, something like that. Okay. So, what is the origin of this Headdress? Basically, I can give you 2 theories. One is the cloth made out of the gold and silk. So it is used to bind hair in ancient times. But the other people have different view about this. They think the Headdress is coming out from the Beijing opera. Okay. So, but you can still find many different statements in internet or some research, because the correct origin is still remain uncertain. Okay, uncertain. Okay. In Taiwan, designing God Headdress has become a conventional art. As I just mentioned, it is a decoration of the God statue, so it can be made independently from the statue. So in Tainan, we found a master, Mr. Guo Chunfu, who has devoted in doing this designing for many years. So next, my partner will introduce Mr. Guo to you. So welcome, Rita number 1.
I'm Rita number 1. Okay, let me introduce Master Guo Chunfu and his hours. Guo Chunfu was born in 1950, and he became apprentice of mental art at 12 years old, very young age. And by chance, he started making Headdress and he finished his civil duty in the military. Okay, and when we asked Mr. Guo about the styles and origins of headdresses, he said that he studied headdress description in classic Chinese novels and viewers in temple to develop a system for the styles by himself. Now, Mr. Guo is premier craft person in Tainan. Okay. Next. Oh, this piece is in Luolan Temple, and we can see the headdress has 9 tweezers in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay. Now, okay. You total weight about 22.5 kilograms, and the head dimension is 144 centimeters. It was made from silver and then printed on gold. Traditionally, only emperors headdress has the tweezer both in the front and the back, so not only had tweezer in the front. Next, and these 2 pieces is in Unhuang Temple. This is General Fan and General Xie. The Unhuang Temple is a city god temple in Beichu, in Tainan. And this pieces looks very fancy, but it actually made from paper. Okay. Now this one piece is, I think, very beautiful. It's City God's Temple in Taipei, Dongzhen District. The City God Temple is top 3 City God Temple in Taiwan. Another one is in Hsinchu, and another one is in Tainan. Okay. And this piece is 10 vegetables about 125 days to finish it, and it also crafted from paper, but it has a lot of fancy details on the headdress. This is before and after. It is invented. The headdress damages 9 to 1 earthquake. So it made a new one for the city god. And when he put on the new headdress, it looks like he smiled. Yes. Even after 40 years of crafting headdress, Mr. Guo never take part in any competition because he said everyone is very hard on his own work, so no one can decide which one is better. But he is interesting in passing on the torch and teaching the craft to younger generations. Okay, after seeing this fantastic head artwork about 4 pieces, everyone must be curious about what's the process of headdress. Then another task to introduce.
Hello, I'm Rita. Everyone may think about they are from precious metal. Actually, they are metal, paper, bronze, silver, or gold. It's a complex work of metal working. Let me show you what master was working. These are 3 methods are some tools like hammer or the country set. The middle one picture. To fit the pieces into shape. Then using the country set to make holes or marks in metal. The second one, welding, is the left picture. This is the photo that master wore using torch to join the metal together. I think this is the interesting part, and it is also dangerous. They also say the most important thing is controlling fire. The third method is gilding. These are some pieces of his designs in the left picture. After that, he had to deposit a thin layer of gold on the surface of the headdress. Master Guo created his new skill to taper gold headdress. Paper is flexible, cheap, so many gold headdresses are made of paper. This is some pictures I'll share with you. First, he has to measure the gold that the two had with iron wire, this picture. Then join the headdress shape on the paper, like this. Cut all the pieces and fold and glue the parts together. This is it. You may see the back of the paper headdress, so complex. Then, Master Guo placed the headdress on the gold that the tube had to check or fit. After he used his pigment to paint the headdress and decorate them with stone, this beautiful stone. Master Guo spent more than 12 hours a day to do his delicate work. You could see his sharp eyes shows the power. Let's finish to continue the story of Master Guo.
As you see from the slide, the blue circle is uniquely seen only in his work. The emblem stands for the word fu. It's rarely seen the word, but is defined as nobility, justice, and integrity. We can prove the good service to people. At the same time, the emblem is also Master Guo's guarantee, the promise. Any of his work with such emblem is similar to luxury goods such as Prada or Gucci, where the global quality is guaranteed. I have the same picture. Master Guo began his work at the age of 13. He initially began as a goldsmith, working with the metal. He has had more than 50 years of experience with his work. When he was in the military, he picked up another skill from his supervisor, where he learned how to design the hairs for the royal family. Yeah, 皇家会清廷那个清朝的官。Do you remember he makes the Headdress by paper? Yes, he learned from his supervisor in the military. Because his supervisor is come from China in 1949, and his supervisor family is the royal family maker. Yeah. It's real. He told us. He transferred and combined the skill, the smear golden and design the hands. The combined skill finally grows way to what he does now. Experience and the journey master course go through make who he is today. He is consistent with his work, and his high inspection of his work makes training appearance difficult. Yes. It has been said his passion and struggles and his work make his training unbearable, even for his own daughter-in-law. Serious and his work. Okay. Another problem with taking down his knowledge is why the spirit and easily access information on the internet. Information is more easily and quickly found. People are able to discuss anything, anywhere, and anytime with a click of mouse. With a click of mouse. Where we may more experience the internet may imitation easily which dampens creativity. Dampens creativity. Another knowledge is like copy machine. Even if production continue to achieve certain degree of the quality, works are in the写跟读一样。industrialized without any personality. Over time, everything comes identical. People lost diverse, unique culture. In traditionalized production, all rooms that start standardized and specified, but they lack mind and soul. Like cell phones, its convenience for connect and search information easier. It does not offer personality. Despite of how much you access right. 这我不应该写这么难。台湾学生就是他会写国语 accessory。Contrary, each man's work is unique because of human creative match. Not one single work is actually identical. The subtle difference between each work is what makes his art so unique, and is usually only recognized by the master himself and the people who can appreciate such work. We really should help people.